What's up, YouTube? In this video, we're going to check out the Gotham Steel Sandwich Maker. This is the maker that is seen on TV. It's non-stick, titanium, copper, and ceramic. It's stronger than ever. It's great for all sorts of sandwiches, especially grilled cheese, and a lot more things as well. Like you can actually cook eggs in here, you can cook small cakes in here, and we'll go over a few of the recipes a little bit later. Let's just check out the box really quick. We'll get this opened up and then we'll test it out. So it's electric, it's easy to clean, it's non-stick grill plates, and then it's PTFE, PFOA, PFOS free. No oil or butter is needed, and then grills all of your favorite sandwiches. Let's see, French toast, paninis, grilled cheese, and a lot more. Seal in all of your ingredients. Let's just check out the box really quick. So the reason I went with this one is because it was less than $20 on Amazon, and it's a lot bigger than most of the others. A lot of the others were coming in around 8 by 8 inches, and I think this one's around 12 by 12 inches, so quite a bit bigger. Let's see what's all in here. So with that, that's everything that's in the box. We'll get that out of the way. We've got the instruction manual. And always go through the instruction manual. I always recommend that here on the channel, especially with anything that can heat up the way that this can. It does get pretty hot. So, and I think this should have some cooking instructions in here as well. So definitely go through that. Alright, and then this is the actual device itself. It comes pretty much completely ready to go. So we'll get that all out of here and let's just check it out. So yeah, it's pretty big. I think it's a pretty good quality also. Let's see here, let's just open it up and see what we've got. So these are the plates. This little piece of paper comes inside of there. Just check it out really quickly here. So the top, you've got the green and the red lights, basically whenever it's cooking and then whenever it's done. The Gotham logo on the bottom. Nothing much to see here on the bottom, and then you've just got the power cord. Alright, and before the first use, you're going to want to take a damp washcloth and just go ahead and wipe out the interior, just to remove any dust that may have settled during shipping. So we'll get that all wiped out. You don't want to get the unit wet, so you don't want to get the cords wet. The unit is not dishwasher safe, so definitely don't get the unit itself wet. And then after that, you'll actually just use a dry cloth to wipe that back out as well. So we'll get all the water out of there. Alright, and then once it's cleaned out, basically go ahead and take your plug and then just plug it in to any standard socket, and that will begin the heating process. While it's heating up, you do want to preheat it, so while it's heating up, we can go ahead and prepare all of our ingredients. So I'll move this out of the way over here just to give us a little more room. Alright, so this unit is preheating. You can see here that the light indicators are on, so we'll just let it preheat for a couple of minutes, and then we'll go ahead and add our first ingredients. Alright, so it is preheated and ready to go, so let's go ahead and get it ready. So basically, we'll just be making some grilled cheeses to test it off with. I haven't used any oil. The box says it's not needed, or butter. If you'd like to use oil or butter, then feel free, but in this case I'm not going to. So we'll do a grilled cheese on one side, and then I'll add some turkey. We'll do a turkey and cheese sandwich on the other, just to test out some different flavors here. So we'll go ahead and put that there. We'll add our cheese. And then on this one, I'm going to add just a little bit of sliced turkey. So once you have the bottom ready, you can go ahead and add the top pieces. And be careful, because this does get really hot. Then we'll put that right there. And you want to make sure that everything fits in here pretty well. So if you have to squeeze them in, that's good. If your bread hangs over a little, it's better to hang over the front, not the back. You don't want cheese to leak out into this area. So yeah, we've got everything ready. Let's just close it up. And when you squeeze it closed, just kind of be careful with it. You don't want to break it. Some bigger sandwiches you might need to be a little bit more careful with, but we've got this one. And the latch here actually has a couple of different notches. So for bigger sandwiches, you could use this lower notch, and then smaller, you can use that one. But the tighter you can get it, the better the seal will be. Alright, so there we go. Everything is going. For grilled cheese, you're going to want to let that cook for about 5 or 6 minutes. It actually does come with a cookbook here, and you can see it has over 30 recipes included, so you can cook all kinds of things with this this little device, not just grilled cheeses. But yeah, you can go through this once it arrives, and this will be done in just a minute, and we'll check it out and see what we've got.
A few moments later.
Alright, so it has been about 5 minutes now. In between 5 and 6 minutes, let's go ahead and open it up and see what we've got. Okay, nice. So yeah, it cooks everything. Looks like everything came out really well. So it is still powered on. I'm gonna go ahead and unplug it really quick. Whenever you're done cooking, when you're ready to power it off, just basically unplug it. And then we can pretty much just pick them up right off of here. If it's too hot, don't ever use, with non-stick, you never want to use metal like forks or spoons to take things off of here. Always use silicone. So if it's hot, you can just take you a silicone spatula and pick it up just like that, and then move it out of the way. But yeah, as you can see, there's nothing stuck here. There's no cheese that's come out, and I think the big reason for that is basically because it's so much bigger than the others. So with the smaller 8x8 inch ones, the cheese would be spilling everywhere, especially all into these back grates. But with this one, it gives you enough room for most pieces of bread. Let's check out the bottom. So it looks like the bottom cooked a little better. Let's check the bottom on this one over here. So yeah, the bottom cooks a little bit browner, it looks like. These are basically perfect grilled cheese. There's nothing really for cleanup. There's a few crumbs in there. I have left a link for this one in the description below. That way, in case any of you would like to check out all the specs and reviews on Amazon, you can do so. Or if you'd like to buy one for yourself. And it also makes a really great gift for others. Anybody who likes to make sandwiches or just doesn't like to spend a lot of time in the kitchen, this would be great for them. But yeah, I mean, I couldn't really recommend this product anymore. Thank you guys so much for watching until the end. And until next time, my friends, take it easy.